My favorite stocks. LTG Group. Brief history. LTG Group Inc. LTG, formerly Conduit Holdings Inc. Was incorporated on May 25, 1937 under the name the Manila Wine Merchants Inc. to engage in the trading business. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) approved the change in corporate name to Asian Pacific Equity Corporation on September 22, 1995 and the change of its primary purpose to that of a holding company. On November 10, 1999, the corporate name was again changed to The. On September 28, 2012, the SEC approved the change in the corporate name. Dividend yield. Generally, the bigger the yield, the better. LTG gives at least 5 times of dividend per year. LTG gives dividend yearly. Stock code LTG. Board lot is 10. Board lot is the minimum number of shares you need to buy from a company. Company chart. Proof that you can really earn from dividend.